How you doing? This is Brad Stinson, VA Home Loan Specialist. This week's edition of Realtor Recon, I'll be myth busting. VA loans are harder to get through underwriting. I love it when I get agents that call and say, hey, how long should I write for contract date? Should I write 45 days, 60 days, 75? No, write 30 and I'll get it closed well before then. So let's take a look at this, break this down. Here we go. Let's come at it from a different angle. Why do lenders want to give VA home loans? Well, first let's take a look at the portfolio default performance or foreclosure rate. VA has had an historical, astronomically low number. In 2018, 0.92% of VA home loans default or foreclosed on. That's incredible. Versus the FHA and conventional counterparts where they're over 4 and approaching 10. That's just incredible. So what does that mean? That means me as a lender, if I give a loan to a veteran, I am 99.08% likely to receive an on-time payment each and every month for the duration of the loan. And if I don't, the VA will kick in 25% of the original loan balance and wipe the loan off my books. That's the power of the VA home loan. I also hear quite a bit about how once the VA loan goes into processing, we're just going to get conditioned like crazy, so it's just easier to go conventional. No, it is not. The reason for all these conditions and everything else, air quotes, is because of things called lender overlays. Now, we did discuss this in a different recon video, so I highly encourage you to look that up. I go into more detail with that. But he who holds the gold makes the rules, okay? So as I just stated, the VA's role in all of this is to guarantee a lender 25% in the event of default or foreclosure. Anything above and beyond what the VA requires is a lender requirement or lender overlay, something on top of what's the bare minimum. So when you hear things like, well, the VA requires X amount for your FICO score. No, the VA doesn't require anything for your FICO score. The VA won't allow home loans on manufactured homes. No, the VA will. Chapter 12, manufactured homes. It's there. These are all lender overlays, meaning he who holds the gold makes the rules. Go check out that recon video. Lenders do want to give more VA home loans because of the fact that they don't default. Under 1% of the time they default. Don't let that scare you. This myth is busted. My name is Brad Stinson, VA Home Loan Specialist. Please like, share, follow, comment, all that good stuff on social media. I look forward to seeing you next week for a next edition of Realtor Recon. Have a great week. Get after it. Semper Fi.